Structure of the tooth. Externally the tooth is made up of three regions, that is 1. Crown. Projects above the gum. 2. Neck. Region between the crown and root. 3. Root. Part embedded in the jaw. Crown. The crown is covered with a hard non-living layer called enamel that is made up of calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate. Functions of the enamel. 1. It protects the inner parts of the tooth from infection by bacteria and other microorganisms. 2. It protects the inside of the tooth from mechanical damage by hard food materials such as bones. 3. It provides a hard biting surface. Dentine. This is the part found immediately beneath the enamel. It's not as hard as the enamel. It's made up of living tissues. Functions of the dentine. 1. It provides most of the bulk of the tooth. Pulp cavity. It's found at the center of the tooth. It contains 1. Numerous blood capillaries. 2. Sensory nerves. The blood vessels and sensory nerves enter the pulp cavity through a small opening at the bottom part of the root. Functions of the pulp cavity. 1. The blood capillaries supply nutrients and oxygen to the cells of the pulp cavity. 2. The blood capillaries transport waste materials and carbon dioxide from the tooth. 3. The sensory nerve fibers have nerve endings that make the tooth sensitive to heat, cold or pain. 4. Special cells in the pulp cavity produce dentine which contributes to the bulk of the tooth. Cement. It's similar to the bone in structure and it lines the root and holds the root in its socket in the jaw. Periodontal membrane. This membrane is found between the cement and the jawbone in the socket of the tooth. Functions of the periodontal membrane. 1. It contains cells that secrete cement. 2. It allows the tooth to move slightly to avoid breaking during chewing.